face. Here it
Okay,
comes, Parker.
this is Parker's first time eating food. It's rice cereal.
Oh, he's going for it.
He's going for it. Oh, he's making a face. What do you think, honey? He's making little chewy motions. He's making, oh, look at him. You can't what?
I can't get the spoon back.
That's okay, that's good. Well done, son.
Some more of that?
How do I zoom in? Oh, there we go. We're zooming in.
And some more of that?
There it is. There's the spoon at the lips. This is just a little bit of breast milk and rice cereal.
What do you
Probably
think,
not very
buddy?
exciting. Hi, baby. Are you more interested in the camera? Oh, he wants it back. That's a good sign.
Let go.
You gotta let go, buddy. That's so cute. He's reaching for it. Oh, give me some more of that. Give me some more of that goodness. Oh, this is good stuff. Oh, look at you. Aren't you so cute? You're like, you people should have done this about a month ago. I'm starving over here.
Some more of that, buddy?
Oh, Parker, you're so cute. And isn't Daddy doing a good job feeding you?
That is really sweet.
Isn't that sweet? It's your first food, honey, and he's not spitting it out.
There's a lot of
He's
it's
not
dribbling down.
pushing it away. That's okay. It's
Dad?
not about nutrients, they said the
Can I have
first
the
time.
spoon back, Parker? He won't let go. I mean,
Oh, he might just be wanting to suck,
I'm
too.
applying a tremendous amount of pressure on the spoon.
Oh. Are we doing too big a spoonfuls? No?
Just gotta spit that out.
Did we spit? Yeah, maybe just a little bit smaller.
It.
You like
He
it, buddy?
really
You like
likes
that?
it. He wants to eat.
Do you
Does
think
that
he's...
taste good, honey? Does that taste good?
Oh, yeah.
Good boy, Parker. Oh, you're so good.
Good job, Steve. Good job.
Yeah, you're doing a great job.
He's getting all over his...
It's okay. They said it's going to be messy the first. We probably should have put a little bib on him. I think her batteries might be almost dead. Aren't you so cute, Parker?
Okay, buddy, let go of the spoon.
I'm going to go ahead and turn this
That's
off.
fine.
Oh, Parker, you're such a just a mellow little eater right now.
I think he's getting some down there, don't you?